We had the subcommittee chairman for the House Appropriations Committees announced today. And it's really, really important because these are the guys who are going to determine how the money gets spent and how the budget cuts are going to occur. And Montana's Denny Rehberg is one of the top subcommittee chairman in the House Appropriations Committee. He's going to handle labor, health, and human services. Why does that matter? Obamacare defunding is going to be before the House Appropriations, Labor, and Health and Human Services Committee. What that means is Denny Rehberg is going to be the point of the spear in cutting funding to stop the implementation of Obamacare. He's going to be one of the most important people in Washington, D.C.
Americans for Limited Government recently spoke with Congressman Denny Rehberg of Montana. In his new role as the chairman of the Subcommittee for Labor and Health and Human Services, Rehberg will look at spending proposals for each department and look at how it's being spent. Rehberg is known for fiscal responsibility, and he has seen flaws in Obamacare.
Why are trial lawyers left out of Obamacare, defensive medicine, and every doctor, hospital, and hospital administrator and board member around the country will tell you that defensive medicine does occur, but it was left entirely out of Obamacare. Well, that was to cater to the trial lawyers.
Rehberg is not happy with the spending he's seen during the Obama-Reed-Pelosi era. He even noticed an uptick in spending with Hillary Clinton at the State Department.
Obama administration took over. Hillary Clinton moved into the State Department. They have increased their staffing, their personnel, by 2,250 people in the last 2.5 years. 2,250 new people. Now, those are not people that are in Montana.
Rehberg says there's something wrong with our government's priorities when our spending goes up during a recession. Americans for Limited Government's Rick Manning thinks Rehberg's a good man for the job.
I can't think of anyone who'd be better for this job than Denny Rehberg. When you think about Congressman Rehberg's experience and record, he's been on the Health and Human Services Labor Subcommittee on Appropriations for years. So he knows where the bodies are buried. He knows where cuts can be made.
Frank McCaffrey, Americans for Limited Government.